How to save and organize places into list on Google Maps. For that, first of all, make sure that your location is turned on your device. Once you check that, simply launch Google Maps on your device. Now, select a place which you want to organize in list. Once you select that place, at the bottom you will see save option, simply tap on it. Now on the top, select new list and then create a list. Simply give the title and description. Once you are done, simply hit on the create, which is on the top right corner. Then your place will be organized into the list. In this way, you can easily save and organize places into list on Google Maps. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.